Oh, it's little.
Guys, we found a real Komodo dragon.
You want candy? Candy. Dulce. Él tiene dulce. It's Paul. Jacob. It's Paul.
He is looking at me. Probably that's why he opened his mouth and got mad. He thinks it's like he's Godzilla and I'm Kong. He thinks I'm Kong.
Jacob, Abby, where are you? Hi! You put eggs? What is inside here? Fishes?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Look, baby, look. Look.
He's eating a poor baby fish. Oh no. The baby chick. The baby. Oh! Sharp boy!
Look, baby, look. Look.
Ahí está la trompa. Mommy.
Look, baby.
Oh, it is a chicken. Barbecue sauce was in sour. Everett, they're feeding this alligator.
Masa pa ka?
Oh, baby chicken. Look at baby chicken.
Do you see it, Morgan?
Mom, I think that's a deer.
Let's go. Say, pas.
Good job.
Hey! Good job! Oh, it's little.
Sticks are his favorite. That's okay. Good job. So this is Alan. Alan is a dad. So he is 15 years old. And he has,
Oh,
Is Cosmo the kid?
he
Alan?
is. So he's over there in the back. Oh, he went all the way over to that tree over there. He's scratching his head.
Ah.
Wow.
So do you guys notice what color his tongue is? Yeah, it's kind of like a black purple color. So that is to make sure he doesn't get a sunburn on his tongue while he eats all day. Yeah, it's like our skin.
Aliyah?
And he can eat up to 20 hours a day. That's almost all day long.
Just 4 more hours.
That's all he sleeps is 4
Thank you.
hours.
4 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And
That's so
that's
cute.
usually in 15-minute increments. So it takes basically it just takes naps all day.
Alright, let's do this. Okay.
There's some. We can feed him some food.
No, that's too little. He can't reach that. That's why you give him the big stick. The giraffes do sleep standing up, and they actually only turn off half their brain at a time. So that way they can still hear everything that's going on. So if they need to run from predators, they can.
Bye. Oh,
What does it mean?
Is that one
like
Jeffrey?
when their skin is
This
like
one's
turning?
Cosmo, and then the other one is Brayden.
be careful, baby. Okay.
When their
So there
skin
was a
is
little,
like, when their skin is turning black, does it mean like they're getting old?
So yes,
Oh.
and that's it. So it's actually testosterone, it's a hormone in their body. The older they get, the more testosterone they have, the darker their skin.
Okay. Come here, Alan. Go away.
Alan! Thank you, Brayden.
You understand?
They do. They're very smart 4-year-olds.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.
Say bye.
Bye, Alan. Oh, what's the name of this one?
Braden.
Brayden.
Brayden, bye.
Brayden.
Oh, dale rápido.
Alright. Say bye, guys.
Guys, I want
Let me
Say
see.
bye. Bye. Say bye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. It's, oh, mira. It's opening the door. Look. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look.
think you know what she's doing?